Hi, today I want to talk to you about grits. Not your second cousins, but hominy grits. To understand grits, you should know about hominy. Hominy are corn kernels from which the hull and the germ have been removed. Now what grits are is they take the hominy and dry them out and ground them up. And as you can see here, there's a wide variety. You have the old-fashioned slow cooking grits, you have the quick grits, and the instant grits. Same kind of processing that they do with rice and oatmeal. So it's up to your preference and how much time you have. I personally like the old-fashioned grits, the slow cooking kind, and what a great price. It's only $1.39 here at Superfresh. To demonstrate how versatile grits are, I want to show you 3 different recipes today: creamy grits, grit cakes, and grit chips. I'm starting with the creamy grits here. I have 5 cups of briskly boiling water, and I'm going to add a little pinch of salt there. And very, very slowly, so I don't lose the boil, I'm going to add the slow cooking grits. These are the old-fashioned kind. This recipe takes about 20 minutes. Just keep going there until we get all of those in there. We're going to put these on low and about 20 minutes. Really absorb a lot of water. I'll come back to all the different variations you can have with the creamy grits, but in the meantime, I have a batch that I put in a glass dish and refrigerated, and you can see that they come out very nicely. It's the cheese that I put in there that have really helped bind them together. Grit cakes are very simple. We're just going to slice this in half here, and then you could do different sizes and shapes. You can even use a biscuit cutter and do something circular. But we have enough there to get started. We're going to give them a little bit of non-stick spray and put them right here on the griddle. These are also great on the grill. I'm going to take the grit cakes one step further by slicing these one more time this way, a couple slices here, and drop them into hot oil. It's called grit cakes, grit chips, I'm sorry. You can see how much of the water has been absorbed. Now for the simplest grits, a little butter and salt and pepper will do just fine. They go great with eggs. It's a great morning dish. To make it a side dish for dinner, I got a little Monterey Jack cheese here. I'm going to toss in there. It melts very well. And some crushed red pepper. And this is great because if you want to do, let's say, an Italian version, you can add some oregano and olive oil and Parmesan cheese. Or this nice, easy Southern way. These are served great with just ketchup, or they're a good side dish when you're having beef for dinner. They can go breakfast, lunch, or dinner, really. Back to the creamy grits. The cheese is melted. We're just going to transfer this to a buttered dish. This is exactly what I did to get my chilled grits. Just like that, straight into the fridge for about an hour. Just remember that the cheesy, creamy grits are the basis for all these recipes. You start off with this, which you can use for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can refrigerate them in a pan, and they firm up so you can cook the grit cakes on the grill or on the griddle. And then one step further, you slice these into the grit chips and fry them in hot oil and serve them with ketchup or your favorite sauce. Just remember how versatile, inexpensive, and simple all these recipes are. Any other questions, contact us at pulpkitchen.com, and we'll see you next week.